Hi, hello, you? Yes, you. Today, you and me, we're gonna go look at this out of this world property. It's just like 10 minutes away from the airport, and believe it or not, about 30 minutes from the city because we got the tunnel just down there. It's amazing. So let's go look at this property, you and me, and let me know what you think though. For us, very important. Let's go. Now, one thing you're gonna love about this home, it's got this area up there for hiding and check. Now, this is the best bedroom of the house, the master bedroom. Now, you and me, let's go look at it. Look at all these spaces. Like, I mean, look at all this green. It's just gorgeous. Beautiful. The house is all the way back there. This is the auxiliary house. And this right here is the stables, and that's where the chickens are, and some tools and stuff like that. This property has two houses. Today we're not gonna be doing the video of house number 2 because we don't have the keys. But I'll guarantee you it's gorgeous though. But so now we're gonna go see where the chickens live. Come with me. And we got the chickens right here. They don't have a name, but see, everything is done with such a detail though. This is actually recycled brick, beautiful. Recycle wood, recycle everything, and it's beautiful though. There's a doghouse right there, and this right here is used to load the live cattle and horses onto trucks because they come all the way up here, so you know, to load them. And that's it. That's pretty cool. So a little bit of a recap with this property. We have about 13,000 square meters. That makes it about 3 acres and a bit, which is a really good area. It's got 2 houses, 1 and 2. The 2 homes are about 260 square meters each. I'll let you know what below is in the square foot, so you'll know. That's just one level. That main house right there is just one level. This one right here has got 2 levels, and we're gonna be doing a video of that home later on. It's got a lot of parking, beautiful terrace as you saw. The house is like, I mean, Manuel and Monica are so meticulous. Everything is a house full of details, which is beautiful. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know. Please subscribe. This actually makes us very happy when you guys subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye for now. Bye.